Okay, last problem. It says find the value of k so that the remainder is 3. We've got a polynomial divided by a binomial, so we're able to use synthetic division, and we kind of have to work from both ends to figure out what the numbers would be for that synthetic division. So my steps for this one would be, first of all, set up synthetic division. And then, to work from one end, put in the remainder and work backwards to your k that you're solving for, and then to a perhaps. Start at the beginning, and, well, let's call that, yeah, start at the beginning and work forward to our k. Okay, so if we set this up, our r here is 2. I'll come back and put a box around that in just a second. And our coefficients are 1 for x squared, k for our x term, and negative 17. Okay, so then if I put in my lines, oh, that's not what I wanted. Put in my box here and my straight lines so they can be a little less ugly when they're straight. Alright, so find the value of k so that the remainder is 3. So we set up the synthetic division. This is all ready. We're going to put in the remainder of 3 and work backwards. So normally we add. So what number do I add to negative 17 to get positive 3? That would be positive 20. Okay, how do I normally get this number? I get that by multiplying whatever is here and times 2 to get this. So I could work backwards. This divided by the 2 gives me what belongs here. That's 10. Okay, and I kind of have to figure out what this number is, and I don't know yet. So I went as far as I could with my reasoning. I don't know what is going to be here because it's whatever I add to k to get 10. So let's start at the beginning because I can start there. Now I'm at 2a. So I bring down my 1, and I get 2 times 2. Wait a minute. I bring down my 1, and I get 2 times 1 is 2. So what plus 2 is 10? Alright, well, k equals 8. So start from either end and work towards the middle. They gave me 3. I could work back by figuring out the 20 because negative 17 plus 20 is 3. And I know the way I got the 20 was multiplying 2 times whatever was here. So I could get that. This one I couldn't do yet. 2 is set in stone. The 1 is the coefficient here. That's set in stone. So bring down the 1, multiply by 2. That goes here. Everything else is in place, so now I can figure out k, and it's 8. Alright, so you're all set. You can try the homework problems and worksheet 5-6.